Okay, we got it working. Well, I got mine working, okay. I've never played this game.
I have.
Yeah, I know you've played it. So we gotta collect the souls.
Not souls. Whatever they are, I don't know. Dots, whatever.
Okay, don't touch blades. No, I almost died on my first try, bro.
Oh my god.
Am I gonna make it? Oh, I didn't think I was gonna make it there.
And the one thing I get annoyed is by you don't need that X. You know, people see the white bar that's on your right. Yes, that's not right.
Choose my way. What is the drone all about?
Drone?
There's a drone.
Oh, those are the things that kill you.
Oh, I don't like the mouse. No. No! I died.
Try. Oh, I was gonna say try this one, but no.
I'm on that one, the prison.
I'm still on the first stage. And not for the whole thing.
No, I tried going around. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Yeah, I know. Don't touch the blades. Oh, I almost got killed right there.
Oh, look, I did it again.
I've made it to that.
Yeah, well, this is my third time going through it. Found the video, well, I mean, third time making it.
Oh, I just made it to it. I'm not that far behind you. No. Yo, it's kept me on the second level through the portal.
No, like I'm talking about how you know how you.
Oh no, you have to earn a certain amount of points and stuff. You have to beat this area.
I made the third one.
I'm stuck.
1/5, whatever.
I'm stuck on this. Oh no, it took me back to the first one. If you die a certain amount of times, it takes you back to the first one. Okay, I understand this.
No. How do you know if you get to go back to the first day?
Because it took me back. I remember this part of the level.
I'm suspect myself. Oh no, I'm getting caught out of the game. That's not good.
Oh, the drones got me.
No.
You're all the way back there again? Yo, they put me to the second one now. I don't even think I passed it.
God damn, I was looking at my screen. I was looking at yours.
Well, don't look at my screen.
I'm used to W.
Oh, wait, it works like that?
Yeah.
Yo,
WASD.
the WASD.
Or
the arrow keys.
Arrow keys.
I'm better with WSD.
How are you better with that? I'm better with the freaking arrows.
Because I play games.
Yeah, you don't wonder why, too.
Why do you wonder why?
I mean, mean, like, I know you play, but, like, you just wonder why you're so good with WSD.
Because I play a lot of games and I have a laptop. I play a lot of computer games. And when I'm not playing computer games, I play Xbox games. And when I'm not playing Xbox games, I play mobile games.
Yeah, and because I don't get the computer no more, because my sisters told me to have it, I play Need for Speed Rivals.
On what?
PS3.
Alright, you're still at that?
Yes, good lord, man.
You're still at that?
I'm not a PS4 person either now, or an Xbox.
Why don't you like the PS4?
Because I forgot what it was, but it's just something about it.
I'm an Xbox person, personally.
I don't care for Xbox, I'll play it. But I like PlayStation more because you don't have to pay for the Wi-Fi. Or whatever you want to call it.
Xbox Live.
Yeah, that you do. All you have to do is just pay your internet bill and you have PlayStation Wi-Fi. Internet, whatever you want to call it.
Online gaming.
I'm gonna get you freaking. If you are popular and you said something weird, do you think you would have got roasted?
Yes.
Like say like, oh, internet, Wi-Fi, or whatever, and then he's like, I'm gonna get roasted now.
I'm kind of sucking at this game.
No,
Yes.
I do suck.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, because I'm just cruising. You can even stop and look at mine.
No, thank you. I don't want to die.
Yeah, second level elite.
I'm going so fast that I'm at the I can't even see anything because I'm at the top of the map.
Yeah, if you go and hit the white part of the game, you're gonna die. I've done that. I tried to see if I could just get past it and then die.
I just tried it because I wanted to see if you were right. What are you doing?
No, I crashed. Okay, I got this. Wait, can I do this? I can. Oh. Dude, imagine if you had to play like this.
No.
You gotta look up when you die. Look over here. This is so hard.
I saw you playing. You have some fingers on the WASD and then some fingers on the arrow keys.
Yep.
I keep on dying by these drones. They're so annoying.
No, I don't have that. I'm gonna try with the mouse actually.
Oh, I made it to another portal.
But it sounded like you were gonna say the final level.
So I made it to the final level.
Hey guys, I made it to the final level. I'm Dylan. It's your boy. There.
Yo, it's so crazy on this level, dude.
I think it's actually easier with the mouse. Oops. That just kill myself.
No!
The thing I like about it is you can just hold it and
I got a new record.
I gotta say it is easier than with the mouse.
Okay, well, I'm gonna end my video here because I'm done. So
Because you can rage quit.
yeah. So goodbye.